Hello everyone. Today we are going on a guided 5-minute exciting adventure, not with our bodies, but with our minds. So find a comfy spot, maybe sit or lie down, and get ready for our special adventure. Okay, let's close our eyes and take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs with air. Fill the air into your lungs and notice if the air feels cold or hot. Keep breathing in, filling your lungs to the fullest capacity. When your lungs are completely full, breathe out like you're blowing up a balloon. You can make a funny sound if you like. Let's do that 2 more times. Take a deep breath in and out. Breath in again and out. Now let's change our breathing to slow and deep breaths. Slow breath in, slow breath out. This time feel your chest and your tummy move as the air is pushed out. Notice the air feels warmer as it leaves your lungs. Breathe in, breathe out. Good job. Now keep breathing slowly as we start our imaginary adventure. Now let's visit a place in your memories, a place when you felt happy, cozy, and safe. Think of a time you were filled with laughter and joy. Imagine your laughter and happiness turning into flowers. Yes, flowers. Now picture you're in a beautiful meadow, surrounded by your colorful flowers. The sun is shining, and a gentle warm breeze fills you with warmth and carries away any worries you have. Look around and notice all your happy memories have turned into different, vibrant colors of flowers. Can you see the butterflies dancing in the air around your flowers? Can you hear the bees buzzing and notice the beautiful blue sky above? Now let's pick yourself a bouquet of different types of memories. Maybe a yellow laughter flower, a white silly flower, a pink cuddly flower, and a sky blue flower that reminds you of when you saw a certain picture in the clouds. I wonder how beautiful your memory flower bouquet is. Now picture yourself picking laughter flowers and sharing them with your family and friends. Feel the warmth of happiness in your heart as you share happy moments and realize you can create more happy moments and flowers to add to your garden. Keep slowly breathing. This time, breathe in as if you're smelling the flowers of your memories. What do they smell like? Maybe a cookout with watermelon? Or maybe they smell like the movies with popcorn, or a swimming pool in the summertime. Now I want you to think about the funniest moment in your life. A time when you couldn't stop laughing. I want you to feel the warmth of happiness in your heart and how it makes your body feel energized. Let's take a moment to be thankful for our good memories. It could be a favorite toy, a friend, or a special moment. Let's feel thanks in our hearts, like a cozy hug squeezing you tight. Good job, everyone. Our adventure is coming to an end, and it's time to return. Keep breathing in and slowly out as you wiggle your fingers and your toes back and forth. Now let's roll your shoulders backwards in a circular manner. Keep rolling. And now let's roll them forward. Move your head to the right, very, very slowly. Now to the left. Now let's move forward and backwards. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today. I would love it if you would tell me your happy moments in the comment section below. Remember, you can go back to your beautiful garden of happy memories whenever you need a little break or a moment of fun. Keep that sense of happiness in your heart and have a fantastic day.